Hello! Today I'm going to show you an idea on how to ensure your SOC team, however small or big, can stay on the top of incidents. We'll use a Sentinel NAC machine for it. The logic application will scan Sentinel for stale incidents, then send teams adaptive card reminders, and give analyst options to take ownership or dismiss alerts. Now let's break it down. Here's how the flow looks. It triggers every 15 minutes on recurrence. It will run a KQL query to find stale incidents. It will then show how many hours since the incident was created. It will split them into two conditions: incidents 1 hour or younger and incidents older than 1 hour. It will then post a team's adaptive card and wait for the analyst response. It will capture who clicked their action. If they choose take ownership, it will update the Sentinel incident. It will then assign it to that user and set status to active. Now let me show this live. In Sentinel, we have a stale incident that no one picked up. The logic application runs. Teams get this adaptive card. In the incident details, you can see take ownership button and dismiss option. If I click on the take ownership, magic happens. Sentinel now shows me as the owner. It will set the status to active, and with this we can prevent stale alerts and avoid SLA breaches, all from Teams. And that's it for this video. A simple way to keep incidents moving. Hope that helps.